Hello, Cassia.
Hi, Ebuka.
You sound very happy to hear from me.
Yes, Ebuka.
What's funny?
Nothing.
So why are you laughing?
Nothing, Ebuka.
Why are you laughing now?
I'm always laughing.
Okay. So, last week I did ask Kelly Ray, and he gave a very long explanation which made a lot of sense. But I'm very sure that besties don't kiss. And you guys keep sneaking around the house, watching your back before you share kisses. Is there something we need to know? Wanni? I just heard something earlier this evening. You were having a conversation with Sean a few hours ago. I think Sean was saying something along the lines of the fact that it's funny how Suge still thinks Nelly's butt is real. And you said her hips were not properly done. No. How did we get there and what's... Okay, explain it to me.
So this is what happened. We were talking, Sean said that's what you said, and I'm like, no, I don't think her body is done because I don't think she has thick thighs. So I can see that.
I heard you clearly say something about her hips not being
I don't think she
right
has thick thighs. She doesn't have hips, so it wasn't filled properly.
It wasn't filled in properly?
Yeah.
So we're saying the same thing. It wasn't properly done?
No, not... Okay, let's accept
All
that.
right. And earlier in the week, you also said something about the fact that Onyeka lies to herself a lot or something. I don't know, what were you talking about?
I will openly say that. I've told her before. I said, I think you always lie to yourself, and I've told her to her face. She says something like as easy as saying, oh, I'm not drunk, oh, I'm not tipsy. And I'm like, you're lying to yourself, or I don't like this guy, I don't like Ozzy, but...
You think she's been dishonest?
Yeah, she's being dishonest. She thinks something, I think she feels a way, but she tries to say that's not how she feels, and yeah.
Nelly, wait till you.
Sorry for the laugh, please.